The writing's on the wall. This is the future of marketing. What you've been doing isn't going to work anymore. Hey everyone, I'm Pete Stagel with Servant 360. If you're new here, we share tips and strategies to help realtors just like you sell more houses faster and for more money. Make sure to like and subscribe to always be notified when we release these weekly videos. Meta Platforms, Facebook and Instagram's parent company, had the largest single-day stock drop in recorded history. They dropped over $200 billion in value after investors panicked due to major losses in their quarterly earnings report. And why did they lose money? Zuckerberg said it's due to unprecedented level of competition from TikTok. In response, Facebook and Instagram are doubling down on short-form video. Zuckerberg told investors, people have a lot of choices for how they want to spend their time, and apps like TikTok are growing very quickly. And this is why our focus on Reels is so important over the long term. So what does this mean for you? It means posting photos and text-based posts isn't going to cut it anymore. You need to be posting videos. This is the future of social media. Thankfully, we're here to help you along the way. With our social media videos and teasers, we can craft the perfect media for your listing. And if you need help with working video into your social media strategy, reach out, and I'd be happy to sit down with you over coffee and come up with a winning plan for you. So make sure you're adding video to your next listing. At Servant 360, we feel realtors shouldn't have to put up with inconsistent results from their marketing providers. And that's why we provide consistent quality photos, floor plans, virtual tours, and videos that help realtors just like you sell more houses faster and for more money. Help us spread the word by liking, subscribing, and sharing these videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, it's our pleasure to serve.